Alright, good morning everybody. So today we are working on ripping this deck up here. So it has been patched in spots. It's hooved up down there. So we're going to replace the deck boards. So this should be fun. It is still dark out for the most part, and we're working in town. So I don't know how people feel about us making some noise, but I'm going to be as quiet as I can until daybreak officially hits, and then I'm getting to it. I don't care if I wake up people. They should be up by now. So let's get to work on this. How many you got left?
2 more.
Take that one to the dump trailer with you. Alright, well, it's getting more daylight. This is a super tight yard. We got it back about a quarter mile back out that way through an alleyway, so that's real fun. But so we got a little bit off of it, enough to run a couple rows. I wanted to do it in sections so we're not walking across the trusses all day. So we're gonna get to throwing the first board up. Clayton is breaking boards so they'll fit in the dump trailer and they're not sticking out 200 feet. So let's get to it. All right, well, we've got 2 boards on so far. We're working on getting the rest of the stuff ran so then we can pull the rest of the deck up at that point. So yeah, it's going slowly but surely. The thing that sucks is we have to cut every single board because the trusses ain't on center. So whoever did the joist, trusses, whatever you want to call them, did not have a clue what they were doing. So, plus it don't help that some of our boards are not true 10s. That's what we're using. So, I don't know. We'll put down and repeat. Alright, well, we're moving right along this morning. We got, I'd say, we're just shy of being halfway done with the deck boards themselves. So we got this little bit left here, but we're going to get into a whole bunch of cuts. Whole bunch of cuts. Not looking forward to it. But you can see they really jury-rigged this old deck together, but that's alright. And that's the problem we were having everywhere. I think it's from the hot tub, because it was mainly on this end, and before they put the hot tub in, none of this was there. So that's what I'm assuming, the moisture off the hot tub. Got it. Clayton almost knocked me out there. That's okay. So yeah, we got that board off, and I think we're gonna run a couple more, and then we'll get more off. So yeah, that's coming right along.
And like when I first got it, I could run this or anything I want. No issue, no lag. Graphics, I could rev them up a little bit. Now, I'm going through and taking pretty much everything off of it. Fragged it. Ran multiple cleanups, and I still can't figure out what this. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take it out, take it apart. Probably add some more RAM to it, honestly.
I tell you, I was dropping apples that came out, and I didn't really have. Alright, well, we're getting these boards down, and it freaking sucks I wish I'd have brought my chop saw if I'd known I was gonna have to cut everything, or just got all 16-foot stuff. But I figured that since we have a good little hike to get everything up to here, it'd be way easier to not do 16s, I just do 10s. But we're getting it, so we're gonna throw you up here on time lapse for a little while. Alright, well, I got the rest of the deck ripped off. Now we're down to the last couple feet. It's not turning out too shabby if you don't ask me. Clayton's cutting our next board, and then we got a fancy cut to get around that post. Then we got a couple more, and then we got a bunch more fancy cuts. So we're gonna throw you on time lapse here for them. I don't know, I just would prefer to watch time lapse than actual full length, but I can tell you we got here at about 6:30. Time we actually got to work, probably about 7, and it is now 9:54, so we should be done by 11, I would assume. And then we're on to the next one, so that'll be another video. But it is, you guys are seeing this in December, it is September 20th right now, so I should have wore my sweatshirt to work so I'd fit in with the climate. So alright, well, we got the deck all done. She's all complete. So now we're moving on to the next one. What time did I say we'd be done? Let's see. 10:56, and we're cleaned up and ready. So we're on to the next one. You'll have to catch that one in another video. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll catch you on the next one.